I'm Kimberly Gedeon, editor at Laptop Mag, and here we are at Dell, home of laptop favorites like XPS and Alienware series. So here we are checking out Concept Luna. And this is a new concept, so don't ask me when it's going to come out or anything like that. So what I love about Concept Luna is that, do you ever feel like when you're disassembling your laptop, it becomes a pain in the ass to take out all these components? You gotta take out the display, and then when you get to the actual internal part of the section, there's screws and cables, and it's just a total nightmare. Well, Dell is working to make sure that your life is a lot easier with Concept Luna. And as you can see right in front of me, all the components are laid out in front of me. And you know what? It was extremely easy to undo. It only took about 2 to 3 minutes. And for me, it takes me about an hour to deconstruct a laptop. So it's easy as taking off the keyboard, the display, the fan, the speakers. Everything is just so easy, no cables, no screws, and nothing that will screw with your mind. Everything's great because it's a way for us to finally get away from having to go to a repair shop to handle our business. We can do it ourselves, whatever we need to do, whatever we need to deconstruct. If you have a problem with your laptop, you can do it yourself. I'm Kimberly Gedeon, editor, and this is Laptop Mag.